Fallout 4 is a game that was released in 2015 and it was made by Bethesda. There have been many Fallout games, Fallout 1, 2, and Fallout Tactics, Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas, and this one, which I am talking about today, is Fallout 4. So, I'm going to talk about the settlement building system of Fallout 4, which really fascinated me a lot. So whenever I used to play Fallout 4, and I would always used to fire up the settlement building system whenever I would find a new settlement. So the settlement building system is a system using which you can build villages, cities, and you can make people live there. You can provide them basic facilities. You have to provide them basic facilities, otherwise they will die or they will leave, right? So basic facilities include water, clean water, crops which can be converted to food, and power, and also defense. You have to provide them defense. So when I used to put together all these things, all these amenities, all these facilities for the people, then it gave me an insight to what human beings need. I mean, in a very minimal sense, what human beings minimally need to survive, and how we can procure those things or those resources. In Fallout 4, you have had to use waste products and scraps, and use it to make windmills or water pumps or defense systems like traps or guns, automated guns. So in Fallout 4, the world is post-apocalyptic. Nuclear war had broken out, and therefore everything has been destroyed. So the protagonist, you use scraps and waste products to put together, things of basic needs: windmills, power supplies, generators, and all that. So it makes me think, if we had to do it right now, then we would not be able to do that, right? Suppose we had to make, in reality, had to make a settlement from scratch. Would we be able to do it? It's very difficult. I think our modern world has really shielded us from the knowledge of various machines which can harness the resources of nature for us. We know that our electricity is coming from some hydroelectric plant or some coal power plant, but we don't know exactly how it works, exactly where it is, and what it is going through, how long it will last. We don't know that. We know our food is coming from farms, but we don't actually know the struggles of maintaining a farm, right? So the modern world has shielded us from those difficulties, which is good for our comfort, but it's not good for the future. I think we should all have the knowledge of how a simple generator works, or how to grow crops when suppose we need someday. I'm not saying that some disaster will come, but suppose it does, and you have to build a fully functioning self-sustainable settlement from scratch, then will you be able to do it? I think we all should uh, learn how to do that, how to procure basic things, basic needs of life: electricity, water, food, shelter, and defense also, if we can. So that's what I wanted to tell you here. Thank you for watching.